So now we are at one of my friend's house and his bike is leaking oil from the timing chain tensioner and this oil cap. So we don't have issues with the head gasket here, but there is a problem with the timing chain tensioner gasket here. And we have already ordered that, but that has not arrived yet, and we are here to find a quick resolution because we have a tour coming up. So he has just cleaned it, so you cannot see any oil leaking from here. Right now we are about to open this. I'll show you how to open this and how we can create a quick fix out here just to ensure there is no leakage of oil and we can ride it for some time. Let's see. So the coating is destroyed, as you can see. It's coming out. So you have to clean this and then make a new layer of gasket. While cleaning this, make sure you don't bend this one. Now place a screwdriver inside this, and as you can see I'm turning it clockwise and just tight this and it will stay there. RTV silicone sealant. These are high heat sealant and I've got this clear one, but I suggest you to get the red one if possible. That was not available at the time of buying this one because the red one will last a little longer because it can bear out a little more heat. But this will also do for a couple of months. Let's see. Just apply a little bit of. तो माची का ना क्या जरा जाएगा
एकदम ठोटे जगह पे भेसलिन लगा
हाँ no need to apply gasket over this because at the time when we'll compress this will make a little amount of gasket over here. Now just open this anti-clockwise and slowly allow it to release. Okay, so we are done. And these are automatic tensioners, so you don't have to tight it manually.